Good morning, friends. I want to share with you the items that I got yesterday during my haul. I went again to the Junkyard Jewel Company and I saw Derek. Okay, I want to show you what I got. The first item I got was a Pave Circle logo T-bar necklace. Get that out of the package. Okay, as you can see, it has the paves all around the circle. The description of this said that it was also reversible. So if you just flip it over, if you'd rather have that design, you're going to see just the name Pandora. This necklace is about, I would say, 36 inches long. Partway down at the side, there is another smaller circle that has the paves, CZs, and you can also, when you reverse that, it says Pandora, Pandora also. This is such a nice necklace. So you can add, I'm holding it up like the T-bar was at the back of your neck. So the bottom doesn't have anything on it. So you can add your own charm holder or whatever you want to add to that. This is so pretty. But this is so pretty that I think I'm going to wear the tassel, the T-bar at the bottom. So that will be sort of a decoration when I'm wearing it. It's just so pretty. I think that it deserves it. Okay, and then I got this pendant. Okay, this is called the Enchanted Tassel Charm Fringe Pendant. So I guess they do have a charm that looks like this. It probably has shorter tassel on it. But this is so pretty because of all the paves, clear CZs. It really sparkles. So I got that. Then I want to show you what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing the bracelet that I redesigned the other day that my husband had gotten me. This is just so pretty. So sparkly. Okay, and then I'm also wearing a 3 Wishes ring with the gray pearls. Okay, and then the last item I purchased from Derek yesterday is these are called the birthstone beaded rings, but I didn't get their birthstones. He didn't have the birthstones that I needed. He did have I'm not sure if they call that, he has the birthstone droplet rings. That's the ones that have the smooth band. He does have a few of the older ones. I think those were called blooming something that kind of look like a flower that were birthstones. but he did not have the sizes I needed or the colors. So I just went with these because I think they're so pretty. They're very pretty, and I just got neutral colors. I got a clear, which is probably April. I looked it up. I think they said this one is December, but I'd gotten it for my granddaughter that likes blue. Her sister was born in December. I don't know, maybe I'll change my mind. And then this one, I'm not sure. I thought it kind of looks like it has a light pink hue to it, but I'm not sure if it is or not. So that's what I got yesterday. And I'm sorry I didn't show you my bracelet on after I cleaned it and put it back together. After I got done doing the video, I thought, why didn't I show them what it looked like on? So you got to see that. So for $100, I got everything that you are currently seeing on the table. And wow, I think like this necklace alone would have cost at least $125. So I think I got an awesome deal. Well, thank you very much. Have a good day. Please like the video so that it pushes it out to more people that may be interested in Pandora. Subscribe if you would. And if you subscribe, if you go over to the right, there will be a bell icon for notifications. If you click that, and I think the top one says all, that way you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.